Good morning, Squirt. Can I have this? You gonna talk to me? Like you were earlier? Huh? Talk to me. The hiccups. The monkey boy has hiccups. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. I'm being boring now. I'm just being boring. Oh. Yeah. There was fussy earlier. Yeah. And then the hiccups came. And now I'm just sitting here. Just sitting here. Yeah. What? You gonna talk again? What you gotta say? This is Squeaker. That's the Squeaker. See, I'm thinking about it. Thinking about saying something. But I'm probably gonna do it as soon as I turn the camera off. Right, Mom? Right, Mom? Okay, so see ya. Have a good day at work. We love you.